Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this little purse. So let's get started. To make this little purse, I'm working with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. You can chain any number of stitches that you like. I'm going to work with chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So any length chain that you would like. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook and each stitch all the way across. To make a single crochet, insert this hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through the 2 loops. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. I have 1 stitch left. In the last stitch I'm going to make 3 single crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. So see, 3 in the same stitch. Now I'm going to turn and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way down this side of the foundation chain. So go ahead and work all the way down the chain. Okay, I worked all the way down the chain. I have this 1 last stitch. I'm going to make 3 single crochet in that last stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. And slip stitch to join in that first turning chain. And that will be the bottom of the bag. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way down this side, all the way around, come right back to here and slip stitch to join. Okay, I worked all the way around and I worked in my last stitch, then slip stitch to join in that turning chain. Now every row will be exactly the same. Chain 1 and turn, and that takes the place of the first single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So work all the way around, and when you get to the end, slip stitch to join in the turning chain. And this is going to start to turn up like that, and you're going to continue to repeat that same row until the purse is as tall as you would like. And I have one here that's finished, and I worked until this is approximately 6 inches tall, and that will be about 12 rows. And if you would like, you could sew a zipper in the top, and you can learn how to sew a zipper in this video. And this is thick enough that it doesn't have to be lined, just nothing's going to fall through there. Now I'm going to show you how to make this flower. Start with a slip knot, and I left a long tail so that you could use that to sew the flower on the bag. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Single crochet in the ring. And that's the first petal. And you're just going to repeat that until you have 12 of these loops in the ring. So chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Single crochet in the ring. Like that. And I sewed a little wooden button in the center. And then with that long yarn end, you can just attach the flower to the bag. I have some of these bamboo handles, and I can sew these on here. And you would just use a darning needle and the same color yarn and just sew these handles onto the top of the bag. So there you go. There's another quick and easy small purse that you can crochet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.